Hey, what's up guys? Another day, another property for this Tuesday. And today, we are going to one of the shoreline lots of Island Hills Land Corporation here in Undanao, Samal Island. So sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta ng Undanao, it is proximate to Canibad. So Canibad is one of the best beaches here in Samal Island. So tara guys, let's go! And we are now at Undanao, Samal Island to see the best beach line available. As you can see at my back guys, ganito scenery ang makikita nyo sa Samal Island. So start your investment in Samal Island. Start with us, with Island Hills Land Corporation. Woo!